morning. I'm about to get changed. I don't care how I look today because we're going fishing. I'm gonna bring this sweatshirt. We put it on in cold already. Alright. Just some socks. Okay, water and snackies for Jacario. Luckily, I have pre-rolls, so all I'm going to do is bring some candy jams, yo. Coffee. It's hot, espresso, whatever. Got everything else ready to go. Let's have this. Maker yolks, we gonna make it rain. You want to dab anything?
No, I'm good.
Actually, gonna pack this little one hitter in there too, just in case. Family. Hi, Tweez. They come right up. Stay right there. Hi.